Hey people of YouTube, so do you remember the 64 Chevy K20 I put together a couple years ago? Oh good, okay. Well, I picked up this turd. It's a C30, which is awesome because I need these rear shackle mounts on it because one of mine's messed up, and it also has the steering column I need and the bench seat. So I'll be stripping some parts off of this to put on that truck. I'm also going to take this nose off because it's in much better shape than this one. So I just want it to look slightly nicer when it's sitting around. I pulled out the parking lights and I very carefully heated up these weld nuts with my torch. I used a gas welding tip, removed the little bolts, and reinstalled in my other hood. The torch is always your answer. Look how fungus this bolt head is. You just heated it up in there and it spun right out with a socket. I got the noses pulled off both of the trucks. Now I'm going to pull out the steering column out of this truck and swap it into that one. This is why I'm swapping the columns out. This is from a 4-speed truck, and this one is from either a 3 on the tree or an automatic truck. Two totally different columns. The new steering column has been installed, so now I'm going to start putting the nose back on. Well, it looks slightly better with a more solid nose. I just got to pop the cab off of this and pull the engine and transmission and the rear end, and this thing's about done. I got the cab pulled off the frame using my skid steer. Made that really easy. Now to just pluck out the engine and transmission. Got the other C30 going. I'm going to take this cab off the bed and scrap it because it's pretty bad. I'll put the other cab on here to keep it as parts. Well, that frame is all stripped down, engine's put away, so now I just gotta go move this thing and we're done with this project. I ditched the bucket seat that was in here and swapped in the correct bench seat just so it's that much closer to being complete. I can't wait to restore this truck. Watch this magical transformation with these modern effects. Woo! And presto. I would say it looks a lot better now than it did before. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.